Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to install older version of any app on Android. So you have to open your Google Chrome or any browser on the Android device or iOS. So I will teach you how to download old version of any Android. So you have to search for old version app. So you have to click this one. So you have to search for any random app like Instagram or Facebook. So I will like to tap Facebook. So these are the old version of Facebook. So you have to click to anyone of old version of Facebook to download to the Android device. So when I click on Facebook, so it will be opening. So here is the old version. So you have to download with APK on your Android device and delete the latest version of Facebook. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.